In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and activate payment methods in your Stripe account. This process is quite straightforward and will help you manage your online transactions more efficiently. Whether you're running a small e-commerce site or managing a larger business, setting up your payment methods correctly is crucial. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to go to your Stripe account. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Stripe dashboard. This is the central hub where you can monitor your financial transactions, access customer data, and configure your payment settings. Feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a menu with several options. You want to direct your attention to Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Stripe account to suit your business needs. Click on Settings, and it will open up a new array of options for you. Next, locate and click on Payments. After you click on Payments, you'll see another option labeled Payment Methods. Click on that, and it will take you to a page where you can manage the different ways your customers can pay. This step is crucial as the right payment methods can impact your business's accessibility and customer convenience. Once you're on the Payment Methods page, you'll see a list of different payment methods available for activation. Depending on your business model and customer base, you might want to activate one or several of these options. Maybe you want to include credit card payments, digital wallets, or bank transfers. Explore the options available and decide what's best aligned with your audience's preferences. To activate a specific payment method, all you have to do is find the one you wish to enable and simply click Turn On. Once activated, this method becomes viable for customers to use during checkout. If you're unsure which ones to activate, consider your transaction patterns and customer feedback to make an informed decision. And just like that, you're done. Once you've turned on your desired payment methods, they'll be available for customers on your e-commerce site or through whichever platform you're using with Stripe. If at any point you decide to modify or disable a payment method, you can always return to this section to make those adjustments. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it enhances your experience with Stripe. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more processes in the future.